Okay, so these are the shorts that we wanted to take some width out of and raise up the crotch. And so I took out the crotch seam and took out about that much. And those of you who are real seamstresses, enjoy the giggle, because this is just me shooting from the hip here. I don't have a plan. So then in the front, you can see I took some seams in. I think it's about 1.5 inches, so a total of 2.5 inches on each side. So we didn't mess with the placket and we didn't mess with the pockets. And then I put some more darts in the back too. You can see the line right here and the line here. So I just tried to mark them with chalk so that they would be equal, pretty close. I didn't want to mess up the ruffle, so I just, sort of flared it out and left the ruffle alone. And I'm going to have her try them on, and then if she fits them, then I'll use the serger and chop off all that and put a seam in there. So that's what I did to try to fix those pants for that girl. So please put in the comments that, gosh, you did a great job. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate you looking through this stuff with me. I don't know what to do with these repair jobs. I just give it my best shot. All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.